So you have an Instagram page and you've gotten it pretty big and gotten a lot of likes and a lot of comments on every post. Then you took a break for example, a couple months and you came back to it, started posting, getting ready to live that dream life again and get all those likes back on your post, but then you get 5 likes. So your page is dead. Well, how do you fix it? So I'm going to be teaching you guys the easiest ways and the most common ways that you can fix your dead Instagram page and bring all of your engagement from all of your followers back to like all your posts again. So don't worry, you will be able to get your engagement back soon enough. By the end of this video, hopefully you'll be able to get all your likes and thousands and millions of likes on your post in no time. So before we get started with this video, I'm just going to ask you guys to subscribe and like my video because it really helps me out a lot. Every time you guys like the video or subscribe to me, YouTube pushes this video to a lot more people and I can get a lot more views and hopefully I can get more money. And we all like money, right? And I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways soon. As soon as I hit 1,000 subs or 2,000 subs, I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways and giving you guys money. So basically, you guys get paid for subscribing to me, which is free. So just please subscribe to me and I hope you guys have a great day, and let's go ahead and get right on with these tips. So let's get started with the first tip. If your page is dead, that probably means you're not getting a lot of likes on your posts anymore, but you probably already have a pretty decent sized following or at least a few hundred followers. Then what you want to do if you want to get more likes on your post is go onto a story or make a reel or something that people are bound to see and just ask them to turn on post notifications. A funny way to do it is just say turn on post notifications for $100 or turn on post notifications for a follow back or something funny like that, and then hopefully it'll engage people to turn on post notifications. And once they do that, every time you post they will get a notification on their phone, which gives you probably like a 75% chance higher of them liking the post. So then if you get a lot of people to turn notifications on for your posts, you're going to end up getting more likes. Another reason to have people turn on post notifications is whenever you get more likes off the bat, like off the rip, if you post a post and then people have notifications on, they'll go and instantly like the post within the first like 30 seconds. And if Instagram sees that people are liking it that fast and have notifications turned on for your page, it's going to give them a reason to push it more. So the Instagram algorithm will pick that post up and push it to more people even if they don't have notifications on or if they don't follow you. So you're definitely going to see more algorithm spikes and higher ranked posts whenever people have post notifications on for you. The next tip is kind of classic. It's not really a tip or a hack, but it's just to post more and just wait it out. If you guys still aren't getting the likes that you were and your page is quote unquote dead, but you're still going to get a couple likes or depending on the size of your page, a couple hundred, then what you want to do is just keep posting. Even if you're not getting as many likes as you want to, just post more and more. Like if you're posting once a day, maybe post 5 times a day now. Just post more and more, because even if you're not getting a lot of likes, the more you post, your engagement will get higher and your reach will get higher because you're getting more posts. So if someone's getting 500 likes but they post once a day and you're getting 100 likes and you post 5 times a day, then you guys are equaling out with likes. You're both getting 500 likes, so you will get the same amount of engagement and the same amount of reach, even maybe more reach. So just post more and wait it out, and eventually you will get more likes and more engagement if you just keep posting. So even if your page is big and before your page was dead, you are able to rank for the super high hashtags and the super common hashtags. If your page is dead now and starting to die, what you want to do is go back down to the smaller hashtags and the longer hashtags from 100,000 to 500,000 posts in it, and you just want to start posting in those hashtags again, the smaller ones, because if your page is bigger and you're not getting as many likes as you want to, you're still going to be able to rank higher than you would on a super high hashtag with a dead page. You'll be able to rank higher on a smaller hashtag with a smaller page. So basically what you want to do is just start using longer hashtags and more in-depth hashtags. So instead of hashtag car, you want to post like in hashtag cool cars of the week or hashtag survival lifestyles instead of survival. Just post longer hashtags and post in those hashtags until you work your engagement back up, and then you'll be able to rank for the higher ones again. Post more stories. So a lot of people sleep on stories and reels, which is a new feature of Instagram, and the more you post stories, believe it or not, the more your page will get pushed. Even if the only people that are watching your stories are the people that follow you, if you just constantly post stories, it gives a status of you being more active on your page. So if people see that pink ring around your profile on Instagram, they're gonna know you are active on the page, and it'll give them a better reason to follow you, knowing that you post consistently and you're still active on the page. And when Instagram sees stories posted on pages, believe it or not, they are gonna push that to the algorithm higher, and you will get more likes than usual if you post stories. And reels are pretty new. A lot of people haven't messed with them yet, and Instagram algorithm hasn't really decided how they want to push reels on algorithm yet. So if you just post a lot of reels, they're gonna do way better than just a video would on Instagram. So for example, if your videos are getting 100 views on Instagram, post a reel and maybe you'll get 1,000. I have a pretty small theme page that I just started recently, and it's about 4,000 or 5,000 followers right now, and I get an average of 800 likes on a post, and if I post a video, I'd say probably 1 to 2,000 views within the first 24 hours, and then I post a reel, and in the first 5 hours, it's already at 7,000 views. So reels definitely do a lot better. By the time you're seeing this video, I don't know if it's still gonna be good or if the algorithm has decided how they want to push it yet, but as of right now, definitely take advantage of reels and start posting more of them. So this isn't really a tip, this is more of a don't do what you don't want to do, and that is do not post ads and do not post shoutouts if your page is dead or dying. So if you have a bigger page and your page is dead, you'll still probably be able to sell out some shoutouts and get some classic bankroll in your account by having people want to buy shoutouts and ads from you. But the secret to bringing your page back to life, if you want your engagement back, is to just hold out on posting any ads, hold out on posting any shoutouts, because that's what kills your engagement in the first place. I've seen a lot of pages with super good engagement from upwards of 1 million followers, and they just started posting ads constantly for a week instead of posting like any memes or any posts like what their page was about. Then I saw them start posting about 2 ads per day, which is a lot, and within the first couple weeks their engagement was dead. Instead of getting 1,000 likes per post, now they're getting 100 or they're getting 50 likes, because everyone's gonna unfollow you and everyone's gonna stop liking your posts if they see you just constantly posting ads, and you just don't want to do that. It's gonna kill your engagement even more if your page is already dead, and you'll never bring your page back to life. If you want to post ads, I'd say maybe 1 or 2 max per week, because they get you money, and everyone likes money, right? And then ads are good if you want to start like a dropshipping store, if you want to do something on Instagram, they're a pretty good thing to do, and they can make you a lot of money, but you just don't want to overdo it because you will lose engagement and your page won't be as good as it was. The next tip is going back to follow for follow. If your page is big and dead, like around 10,000 followers, even more, it might be a lot, but your page can be dead from as low as 100 followers. But if your page is pretty big and you stop follow for follow, because I'd say you stop follow for follow around 3,000 or 4,000 followers, that's when you'll start gaining organically, as long as you're still posting consistent. But if you're big and you've done follow for follow from 10,000 followers ago, then you want to go back to follow for follow. Even if you already have a huge number, 10,000, 10 days of follow for follow isn't even going to get you 1,000 followers. Then, so you might be asking, why should I even do that? And even just if you gain 100 genuine followers from follow for follow that like your post, that's still 100 likes on every post that you weren't getting before. So if you're adding likes to your post just by doing follow for follow, that's the main thing you want to do it for, is just getting likes. Or you can do a comment strategy that I'm going to talk about in a later video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to check that one out. But definitely go back to follow for follow, and if you guys are getting more likes than you would with follow for follow, then Instagram will continue to push your post to more and more people, then eventually your engagement will be back to what it was before, and you'll be happy as life, living the dream life. So that's been the most useful 5 or 6 tips that I could think of from all of my pages and my experience. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. I hope all these tips work for you. Make sure you come back to this video later if it's not working and rewatch some of them, because it will help you if you just take the time to put every single one of these tips in your page. You will grow, just trust me on that one. And make sure you like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Let's do a little transaction here. I helped you with your page, and you're gonna help me with my page. So only subscribe and like, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'm out. Peace out.